Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have a special unboxing for you today. This is the Redmi 9T, and the reason why I actually brought this phone into this channel specifically for something special. And if you would ask what is it, I will tell you that this 5G phone, yes, it's a 5G. This 5G phone has a processor that has never been presented before in this channel, and I'm very interested to see how this processor working for two things, by performance in gaming and 5G performance here in Saudi Arabia, so Middle East. So we're gonna see how this phone works. I'm gonna put my SIM card and see how fast the 5G speed, especially this is a new chipset. So let's take a look at the phone before I just start. This is Redmi Note 9T, and this color is kind of nice color. Let's just open the box like everybody does it. Slowly pulling the phone out, just like that, and it's almost out. Come on. All right, it's gonna take too long. Okay. All right. So this phone is 120 gigabytes of ROM and 4 gigabytes of RAM. That's actually great. Now the price of this phone is around $220, $250. Depends on where you are actually gonna buy it. I got it from Jewelry Bookstore, where they actually provide a lot of phones. Hope they sponsor the channel, by the way. I'm getting a lot of phones from their bookstore. So yeah, the good thing, first off, that we have booklets. Yes, that's not good. That's the good thing. We have a TPU case, which is, let's take a look at the quality, which is okay, good. Okay, so it looks okay for me. It's not as sturdy as the Realme X2 Pro that I have as my main phone, but it seems like it's good. It's good enough. So we're gonna test it later on. Let's take out the phone. Okay, the phone looks nice. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have MediaTek Dimensity 800U with dual 5G. So there's a dual slots for your SIM card, and both of them are 5G. This is excellent. 7nm processor. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about this processor. We're gonna test it later on. 48 megapixel high resolution camera, 13 megapixel display, front camera. Battery. Oh, sorry, this is a Full HD plus dot display. 5000 mAh battery, high charge cycle battery. So we have 18 watts fast charging as well. That's good. So a good combination for the price, but we're gonna test all that out, okay? Especially 5G phone. So the competitor, a direct competitor for this phone is the Moto G5G, and unfortunately it's not with me right now, but I already tested the videos. If you want to look at Motorola Moto G5G, look out my playlist. You'll find all the videos, and we can just compare it with this phone right here, which is going to drop a lot of videos for it. So stay tuned. Let's take out the stickers. Okay, let's have the feel of the phone is nice. There is a fingerprint scanner on the right where your finger touches the bottom. Very nice, good quality. So this is plastic, pure plastic. We have an IR blaster, microphone, and I don't know, this is maybe a speaker, small speaker. I believe, oh, it's an opening for us. Maybe it's a dual front facing speaker that actually shoots both ways. We're gonna check this out later. Another speaker, USB Type-C, microphone, headphone jack. Nice. Headphone jack for 5G phones, that's what we need. SIM card. Yep. So overall, it looks nice. There is a sticker here, which can be used as a cover for your phone. So let's put it in the TPU case and see how it feels. Okay. Okay, I'll say this feels like 9 out of 10. Perfect. Really, really perfect fit for the phone. There is no flimsiness here on the edges, which is most important thing, and it feels good. And this is all the cutouts, so as you can see, very good, and it's very sturdy. So when it falls, it's gonna fall on the areas here. So the area even in the edges, it's a little, as you can see, it's a little bit raised. So when it falls on the it falls on the face. It's gonna fall on the case. Face case. Nice wording. Let's see what else we have in the box. USB Type-C. No headphones, but we have a nice 3-headed plug, which is very good if you are actually in the Middle East. That's all our plugs is like 3-pin. So let's just see, we have the speed here, and we have, what is it? Yeah, it says here 22.5 watts. It's not 18, it's 22, guys. Very, very interesting. So Xiaomi says that this charger is 18 watts, but I see a 22.5 watts, guys, over here, as you can see on the right. So that's very, very, very interesting. So actually in the box, what you get from the Saudi Arabia version is the 22 watts, 0.5, and they advertise the 18 watts. Maybe the 18 watts is for the, I think maybe it's for the Indian market or Asian market, I'm not sure. But this, what you get on the box, or in the box. Just sit back here. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna drop a lot of videos regarding the Redmi 9T soon. Take care, everybody, and see you later.